So what is the easiest way to make money online? The answer is simple: digital products. Digital products are the easiest and most profitable way to make money online. But what are digital products, you may ask? Digital products are products that can be downloaded or accessed online. They can be in the form of books, courses, software, templates, or any other digital product that provides value to the customer. The reason digital products are the easiest way to make money online is that they have very low overhead costs. Once you create a digital product, you can sell it over and over again without any additional costs. There are no intermediary costs, no shipping costs, and no need for a physical storefront. All you need is a platform to sell your product, such as your own website or an online marketplace like Amazon. I create courses on fitness, business, and mindset, which have generated millions of dollars. Creating digital products is the easiest way to make money online because it allows you to leverage your knowledge and expertise. But how do you create a digital product? It's easier than you might think. First, identify a niche your products are knowledgeable in. It could be anything from fitness to cooking to personal finance. Then, create a product that solves a problem or provides value to the niche. It could be in a book on weight loss, a course on cooking healthy meals, or a software tool that helps with budget. It's time to sell it. There are many platforms you can use to sell your digital products, including your own website, online marketplaces like Amazon, or specialized platforms like Udemy or Teachable. The key is to find the platform that works best for your product and your target audience. A sales funnel is a series of steps that guide your potential customer toward making a purchase. It usually starts with a free offer, such as a free book or a free course, to attract the customer's attention and build trust. Then, as the customer progresses through the funnel, they're presented with more valuable offers, such as a paid course or a premium. You can increase your conversion rates and make more money from each customer. And the best part is that once you have set up your sales funnel, it runs on autopilot, generating passive income for you. Focus on quality. Your digital product should be high quality and provide real value to your customers. This will ensure that they keep coming back for more and recommend your product to others. Build your brand. Creating a strong brand around your digital products can help you stand out in a crowded market. Your social media, email marketing, and other channels to build your brand and connect with your audience. Offer great customer service. Providing excellent customer service can help you build a loyal customer base and increase sales. Make sure to respond to customer inquiries quickly and continuously improving your digital product and adding new features or updates can help you stay ahead of the competition and keep your customers engaged. It's a simple and profitable business model that anyone can follow. Remember to focus on quality. Build your brand, offer great customer service, and keep improving your product.